The second-generation model boasts impressive fuel efficiency. While hybrid cars often come with a hefty price tag, the new Toyota CHR in its base trim is surprisingly affordable. Stretching 4,360 mm in length with a wheelbase of 2,640 mm, it flaunts dimensions of 1,830 mm in width and 1,564 mm in height. Under its hood, the basic crossover houses a hybrid powertrain centered around a 1.8-liter gasoline engine. Generating a total output of 140 GP, it sips fuel at a combined rate of just 4.8 L100 km. If more power is your preference, there's also a hybrid crossover option with a 2-liter internal combustion engine, packing a punch at 198 GP. Alternatively, for those seeking an eco-friendly option, there's a plug-in hybrid that can be charged from an external network, delivering a robust 223 GP and boasting a purely electric range of 66 kilometers. The starting price for the second-generation Toyota CHR is set at €34,900. The upcoming Toyota CHR will exclusively offer hybrid variants. Among them, the top-tier model promises a swift acceleration to 100 km/h in just 7.4 seconds, while also boasting an impressive 66 km electric range. For 2024, the Toyota CHR receives a vibrant makeover, sporting a refreshed corporate style that adds a new level of flair to its appearance. Despite the cosmetic upgrades, the car retains its original platform and dimensions. Inside, the Toyota CHR welcomes passengers to a more spacious cabin, with a notable increase in trunk volume. In the standard hybrid version, the trunk offers a generous 388 liters of space, while the plug-in hybrid variant provides 310 liters. Furthermore, the 2024 model comes equipped with an expanded array of features in its base configuration. This includes a futuristic virtual instrument panel, climate control, a camera, parking sensors, heated seats and steering wheel, along with a comprehensive set of security systems. With these enhancements, the Toyota CHR sets a new standard for comfort, convenience, and eco-friendliness. The roster of options gets a boost with the addition of smartphone cabin access and premium JBL acoustics. And here's a fun fact. Every single Toyota CHR 2024 model is a hybrid. The entry-level variant, priced at €34,900, comes equipped with a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 140 horsepower. Remarkably, it sips fuel at a frugal rate of 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Stepping up a notch, the hybrid featuring a 2.0-liter engine starts at €38,900. You have the option to deck it out with either 1 or 2 electric motors, along with the choice between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Either way, you'll be commanding an impressive 198 horsepower. But here's the twist. The top-tier plug-in hybrid Toyota CHR, boasting a robust 223 horsepower for €44,900, is exclusively available in front-wheel drive. Despite this, it still manages to zip to 100 km/h in a sprightly 7.4 seconds and cruises along for 66 kilometers on electric power alone.